The ray tool draws a line that starts at one point and extends infinitely in one direction. It's perfect for trend lines, support and resistance levels, and everything you want projected into the future. Here's how to use it on TradingView. First, hop on any chart and head over to the left-hand side. Go to Trend Tools. Now, once you're on Trend Tools, just simply click on Ray. Now, let's head over to where we want to plot our trend line, let's say. We'll start here. Now, once you have the first one done, you'll notice a line pops up. Now you just have to set the angle. We'll go right here. Nice. But you'll notice that it still is only on one side. It doesn't extend all the way. So let's go to settings. Now that we're on settings, we're at style. You can see extends right line only. So we can also click on extend left line. Perfect. You can also turn on middle point, price labels, different info and stats position, and if you always want to see them, head over to text and put text here. Check the alignment. You can check the color here as well. Now, as new candles print, the ray's already there waiting. This is the tool for signifying that this level still matters going forward. Have a great day, guys.